Hi everyone, welcome back to Shin Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to show you how to upload your music to Spotify quickly and easily. Whether you are an artist who wants to publish songs worldwide, or you simply want to add your own music to your personal Spotify library, this tutorial will walk you through both methods step by step. If this video is helpful, let us know in the comments, leave a like, and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Let's get started. First, let's talk about the method for artists who want to publish music on Spotify. Open your browser and go to the Spotify for Artists website. Once you're there, you will see the option to get started and learn how to release your music on Spotify. When you scroll down, Spotify will explain the basic steps. The most important thing to know is that you cannot upload music directly to Spotify by yourself. You need a music distributor. A distributor is a service that sends your music to Spotify and other streaming platforms like Apple Music or Amazon Music. Spotify provides a list of recommended distributors that you can choose from. One popular option many artists use is Root Note. After creating an account with a distributor like this, you can upload your song, fill in the details such as the title, artist name, and cover artwork, and then submit it for distribution. Now let's look at the second method, which is useful if you just want to add your own music files to Spotify for personal listening. Open the Spotify desktop application on your computer. At the top right corner, click on your profile picture and go to Settings. Scroll down until you find the section called Your Library. Here, you will see an option called Show Local Files, which is turned off by default. Enable this option. Once it's activated, you will see additional settings where you can choose folders that contain your music files. Click Add a Source and select the folder where your music is stored on your computer. After doing this, Spotify will automatically add those songs to your library so you can listen to them directly from the app. You can also enable local files from the Spotify mobile app. Open Spotify on your phone, tap on your profile picture, and go to Settings and Privacy. Then tap Apps and Devices. Scroll down until you find Local Audio Files and enable the option. Once activated, your local music files can also appear in your Spotify library. And that's it. Now you know how to upload your music to Spotify or add your own songs to your personal library.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Shin Tech Tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!